when Napoleon lay at Boulogne for a year with his flat-bottom boats and his grand army, he was told by someone, there are bitter weeds in England. There are certainly a great many more of them since the British expeditionary force returned. Sir, I have myself full confidence that if all do their duty, if nothing is neglected, and if the best arrangements are made, as they are being made, we shall prove ourselves once more able to defend our island home, to ride out the storm of war, and to outlive the menace of tyranny, if necessary for years, if necessary alone. At any rate, that is what we are going to try to do. That is the resolve of His Majesty's government, every man of them. That is the will of Parliament and the nation. The British Empire and the French Republic, linked together in their cause and in their need, will defend to the death their native soil, aiding each other like good comrades to the utmost of their strength. We shall go on to the end. We shall fight in France. We shall fight on the seas and oceans. We shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills. We shall never surrender. And if, which I do not for a moment believe, this island or a large part of it was subjugated and starving, then our empire beyond the seas, armed and guarded by the British fleet, would carry on the struggle until, in God's good time, the new world, with all its power and might, steps forth to the rescue and the liberation of the old.
Of being told you ain't as good as us. Join the line, sign your name, and they all said that our country's going bust, but no one's fooling us again. England belongs to me, a nation's pride, the dirty water of the rivers. No one can take away her memory. Oh, England belongs to me. We've shown the world that the boys are back to stay, and you all know what we can do. It's held high, fighting all the way for the red, white and blue. England belongs to me, a nation's pride, the dirty water of the rivers. No one can take away her memory. Oh, England belongs to me. England belongs to me, you better believe it. A nation's pride, the dirty water of the rivers. No one can take away her memory.